2 years ago, a friend of mine lost his job as a copywriter. Not to budget cuts, not to outsourcing, to a language model that could do his work in seconds instead of hours. He had 15 years of experience. It didn't matter. This isn't a story about one person. It's a preview of what's coming for millions. And the uncomfortable truth is that most people have no idea whether they're next. I'm Marcus Vane, and today we're going to cut through the hype and the fear to look at what's actually happening. Which jobs are genuinely at risk? Which are surprisingly safe? And most importantly, what you can do about it. Let's start with the jobs that are already being replaced. Not theoretically. Right now, customer service representatives, translation, basic legal research, data entry, content moderation, entry-level coding, bookkeeping, first draft copywriting. These aren't predictions. These are jobs where AI is already doing significant portions of the work. Companies aren't announcing it. They're just quietly not replacing people who leave. But here's what most analysis gets wrong. The jobs at highest risk aren't necessarily the lowest paid. They're the ones that involve processing information according to rules, pattern recognition on predictable inputs, tasks where the correct answer can be verified, a radiologist reading scans, at risk, a nurse comforting a patient, much safer, a lawyer doing document review, at risk, a lawyer negotiating with a difficult opposing counsel, safer, a programmer writing standard code, at risk, a programmer debugging a nightmare legacy system while managing stakeholder expectations, surprisingly safe. The pattern is clear. AI excels at tasks that can be defined clearly. It struggles with ambiguity, human psychology, physical dexterity, and genuine creativity. So which jobs are genuinely safe? Let me give you specific categories. First, jobs requiring physical presence and human judgment. Electricians, plumbers, nurses, physical therapists. These require being there, adapting in real time, and dealing with unpredictable real-world situations. Second, jobs requiring genuine human connection. Therapists, sales that involves relationship building, teachers working with children, management of human teams. AI can simulate empathy. It cannot provide it. Third, jobs requiring creative judgment that can't be verified. Art direction, strategic planning, entrepreneurship. These involve making decisions where there's no objectively correct answer. Fourth, jobs maintaining and governing AI itself. Someone has to train these systems, audit them, make policy about them. That's a growing field. Now here's what most people miss. AI isn't just eliminating jobs. It's creating entirely new categories of work. Prompt engineers, AI trainers, human-AI collaboration specialists, AI ethicists, synthetic media detectors. These jobs barely existed 2 years ago. Now companies are desperate to fill them. The economy isn't shrinking. It's transforming. And the people who will thrive are the ones who position themselves at the intersection of human skills and AI capabilities. So what should you actually do? First, honestly assess your current role. Ask yourself, could my core tasks be defined precisely enough for a system to learn them? If yes, that's a warning sign. Second, develop skills AI can't replicate. Complex problem solving in ambiguous situations. Building and maintaining relationships. Creative work that requires taste and judgment. Physical skills with human interaction. Third, learn to work with AI, not against it. The most valuable employees in the next decade won't be those who avoid AI. They'll be those who use AI to multiply their effectiveness. A lawyer who uses AI for research but applies human judgment to strategy. A designer who uses AI for iteration but provides creative direction. Fourth, and this is crucial, build skills that have compounding value. Your reputation, your network, your understanding of specific industries and contexts. These are things AI cannot accumulate and cannot replace. The next 5 years will see more job displacement than the previous 30 combined. That's not speculation. It's mathematics. The capabilities are there. The economic incentive is there. The only variable is speed of adoption. But here's what I want you to remember. Every technological revolution has created more jobs than it destroyed. The question isn't whether jobs will exist. It's whether you'll have positioned yourself for the new ones. If this was useful, subscribe for more insights on navigating the future. And tell me in the comments, what's your industry and how do you see AI affecting it? I read every comment. I'm Marcus Vane. Thanks for watching.